Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on the social media channels, Instagram, TikTok, of course YouTube, subscribe here. Today we're going to be drawing Shai Gilgeous-alexander. Kind of a hard name to pronounce. I actually had to look it up on Google. So, Shai Gilgeous-alexander, Oklahoma City Thunder, Canadian basketball player, born in Toronto area. All-star, overall superstar, really making a name for himself in the NBA. All-rookie second team, played for the Kentucky Wildcats in college, was the 11th pick by the Charlotte Hornets, and then traded to the Clippers, and now playing for the Thunder. So let's get started. Find your center up and down, and your center across. We're going to get the dark marker, pointed tip, and we're going to do Shai's head right here. Now Shai has kind of a skinnier face, you guys, so here we go. We're going to draw a long, pointed kind of jaw, chin, come up and round it off to the top of the head area. Ear. Now we're going to do a big arch right here. This is his famous headband, sweatband that he wears. Up. Now we're going to connect that sweatband. It's a wider sweatband than most, so here we go. Connect with an arch and another arch and down, up, arch, and down. That's basically the part of his head. This will be colored dark black. So let's do his eyes. We're going to do some ovals, sideways ovals. There's one. Sideway oval 2, circle on the inside, circle on the inside. Those are the highlights, they stay white. A small circle on the side, small circle on the side, arch, arch. Now we're going to color this area around the highlights in with our dark marker. With our black marker, dark marker, and we're going to color this arch area baby blue. I like to get the baby blue or a turquoise or something just to add a little spice, a little color to the picture. I like to say this is a reflection of the stadium lights on the player's eyes. Get your dark marker back. We're going to do a longer nose, so come down the edge of that eye, make a dot. Come down edge of this eye, make a dot. Those two dots, that's going to be the edge of each nostril. So actually, I'm going to get switch markers. Mine's drying out, actually. So down to a point, and we'll do some smile, or he's not going to be smiling on this one, actually. We're going to go up, down, arch, up, down. Okay? Up, down, down. And then the bottom of the lip, I just do a line. Okay? Shai has a mustache that follows the lip line. So we'll just do some squiggly lines there. He's got a chin beard, so squiggly lines on this chin area. Now, he's really known for his braids. We're going to go down and out. Down on the side of the head and out. There's a braid poking out. Sometimes he has one that comes in on his face. We'll go down, in, down, in. Maybe there's a longer one that kind of pokes out. A longer one that pokes out there. And maybe a short one. A short one. Alright, this one's drying out too. I gotta work on my markers. It's okay. Hey, no one's perfect. Markers dry out sometimes. Get this black. Good thing I have more black. Okay. Neck down, come to a point, come to a point. Jersey, round out for the shoulder, round out for the shoulder. Drop down to the waist, cross, bring it up to the armpit, do some shorts. We'll do down, over, up, down, over, and connect to the waist. Okay. And let's see here. Let's do the big basketball circle. Oversized basketball circle. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It's really hard to do. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers. We'll do a thumb. Let's do his arm. A bump. We'll do an equal bump over there. A bump hiding behind that ball. Bump. Bump. Hiding behind the ball. And we'll do this arm coming. So we bump on the bottom, a bump on the top. Bump for the forearm, and it kind of gradually gets skinnier to the wrist. Thumb, finger, 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 connect. Okay? He's doing some kind of crossover move. So let's do his legs. We'll do one kind of a skinnier leg to the ankle and connect. Down, down. You can see the lines kind of try to connect. Let's do some big shoes. The tongue of the shoe, the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps, shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Out toward the side of the page, straight into the ankle and stop. And for people that haven't drawn with us before, as you can tell, we're doing kind of a cartoon. We do oversized shoes, oversized head. We just like to make our characters fun. So bring this ankle down, the heel, stop, straight across to the edge of the page. Round it up and connect to the shoelace. There we go. We have Shai Gilgeous-Alexander kind of blocked in. Let's do the number 2. Okay, we'll do it in our black. So this number 2 is going to go straight over, up, over, down. Round it down, round it up, round it down. And if you need to pause, the numbers are always the most challenging part. Feel free to pause, do it again. And we are going to do a black line around the neck. This is the stripe for the uniform. And there's a black, yes, I believe there's a black line on the inside, yep. A black line on the inside of the armpit area. Black line on the inside of that armpit area. There is a black stripe coming down the shorts and across. Black line coming down the shorts and across. Kind of make it thicker. And we have the black line coming down on the side of the jersey. Black line coming down on the side of the jersey. And we will grab the yellow. Let's grab our yellow marker, the thin tip. So we have yellow hugging that black stripe. So yellow stripe, yellow stripe, okay, and then yellow stripe coming down. I want to know what you guys think of this drawing, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. A lot of people might not know him. He's not really a household name. He plays for a smaller market team, the Thunder. But this guy is amazing. He's very talented. So bring this yellow down. And I really like to see new superstars make a name for themselves. You know, we're used to seeing LeBron James, Michael Jordan, you know, Kevin Durant, these names, Steph Curry, they've been around forever. But it's cool to see these new guys come in and make a name for themselves. So there's yellow. Let's get our orange, kind of a reddish orange. Well, I'm just gonna go with orange. And now there's an orange stripe that hugs the yellow, okay? Hugs the yellow all the way down. We're gonna do blue shorts, blue jersey, but we gotta get these small details in first. And we have the orange that hugs the black line on the number, okay? And I'm not gonna write the word thunder in there. I think you guys can do that if you want. I'm just gonna leave it blank. And we're gonna do some orange stripes, arches. Okay, cool. So we'll do an orange basketball, orange stripes, leave the shoes white. This leg is gonna be left white because he wears a long sleeve on his leg. He has a sleeve right here on his arm as well. And then we'll do flesh color, black hair, and that will be our Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Number 2 for the Oklahoma City Thunder. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're really trying to build that subscriber base. Let us know who you want to see next. Talk to us on Instagram, right here on YouTube, and we appreciate you guys for joining us. Fast forward now.